In this video, I'll be talking about Font Awesome. What Font Awesome is a collection of icons that you can add to your page. These are just pre-made designs that you can add to your web page as classes. Now, to add it, you typically set the class of a I tag or a span tag equal to the particular class that comes with the Font Awesome file. And Font Awesome, you can use it freely for your commercial projects and non-commercial projects. Let me just show you the license. So, yep, here it says Font Awesome free is free, open source, and GPL friendly. You can use it for commercial projects, open source projects, or really almost whatever you want. For commercial projects, do always double check that whatever you're using, even if you can download for free, you can actually use it for commercial projects. That's really important. Anyways, so how do you include Font Awesome in your page? Well, typically you would place this link inside of your head tag. You can find this link on top on Font Awesome site, and yep, that's it. Now you can begin. No complex installation, no downloading even. Of course, since this is linking to a web page, do make sure your internet is on. But now, Font Awesome is designed to be used as inline elements. In other words, you use them with the I tag or the span tag. You don't use them with the divider tag. And also do note, however, please note that if you choose to change the tag's font size or color, the icon itself might change. So I strongly advise against messing with its CSS. So let me show you a few examples. Create an I tag, give it a class of, this is a thumb up. FA-thumbs up. This is a thumb up, so write the class name in. Under it, here is a rocket hand. Set the class to fa-rocket. Oops, sorry. As you can see, the class syntax for Font Awesome is fa space fa something. This is just whoever the author said. This is just whatever they wrote. This is just the class name the author gave it. Nothing special here. So, thirdly, let's set a car. Here is a car. Create an icon. Give it a class of fa-car. Close the icon. So, the fourth, I'll create a file icon. Here is a file. So set an icon, class equals fa-file. Close the icon. And lastly, let's create a bars icon. Here is a bars icon. So class equals fa-bars. Then close the icon. And let me show you what this looks like in our browser. So, as you can see, this, and this are all Font Awesome icons. The list of Font Awesome icons is extremely long. My recommendation is do not memorize these. Don't print out a sheet of these items and memorize them on the train or something. Instead, I suggest you just look them up as you need them. Anyways, that about finishes this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me, and I'll see you next time.